Hello everybody, Jack here, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm just going to give you a bit of an update on what's been going on with the cars and stuff like that. I know in the last video I showed you my brand new daily. I filmed that video precisely 12 seconds ago, but there we are. So last video I showed you my daily and I explained what happened with the BMW. So if you haven't watched that video, where is it? There? I feel like it's over this way. Up here, click here, maybe, I don't know. It might be on the other side, wherever it pops out from. Make sure you go and watch that video and explained why I've got a new daily, a VW Touareg, and not my BMW 520D. For those that don't want to watch the video because you're stubborn, it got written off by the insurance company because somebody crashed into me. But there you are. So, updates on the cars. Nothing more has happened with the VW since the last video because I filmed it 1 minute and 7 seconds ago, but a lot has happened with the Red Mini. Other than the algae moss that's been growing on it and the lack appeal getting worse, we have made progress. So this is the progress we made. We've got the airbox back in, all the coolant hoses back in, all the air hoses back in. I need to get 2 more bolts for the tensioner, and then that'll be done. We've got all the expansion tanks back in, ECUs back in. There's the spanner I thought I'd lost, and that one. All the front subframes back in. So I don't know if I showed this in a video, but I put the anti-roll bar on the wrong way when we put the subframe in at the unit in a rush. So when we came to put the drop links on, I couldn't do it because the anti-roll bar was the wrong way around. So I had to drop the subframe, swap the anti-roll bar positioning, and put it back on. So managed to put the subframe back on myself, put the struts in, drop links, hubs finally, and we've got some sensors in there, track rod ends, you know the deal. Brand new top mounts on both sides as well, and it's ready for the radiator and stuff to go back in. I just want to get the final bolts. I want to do a final bolt check around here and get the bolts for the tensioner plugged in. So that's all done. Parts wise, we've still got a few more to get. I'm going to take the brake calipers off that, which I'll explain in a second, brake calipers off that, which are off this car anyway, and put them back onto here. We've got new discs and pads already ordered and they're sitting in the shed, and then I think that's it. I just got to terminate the brake lines, and then fluids, and then try and get it running nicely. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Red Mini, to be honest. We've made a lot of progress with the front subframe and we're edging away at it. What we really need to do to make more progress is to strip a few more parts off this. This has got the brakes on it, the brake calipers, we need those, and I think that's probably it, to be honest. This is Chelsea's old Mini, obviously in a bit of a sorry state. We started breaking it for parts. If anyone's interested in any other parts, let me know. This is usually covered, but we've uncovered it recently. We just had a few people coming to collect parts. Engine and gearbox are still around. The gearbox does need a thrust bearing or a throwout bearing, but a couple of quid. But everything else is in pretty good working order. So obviously I need the calipers off it. And then yeah, once we've got the calipers and I'm going to strip the engine and gearbox out, I'm probably just going to leave the rest of it, and then just scrap it, to be honest. Take the wheels off and scrap it. There's nothing else that we really want inside. It does have full leather interior, so if anyone's interested in the leather interior for an R50, let me know. We can sort you out a decent rate. Yeah, it's blue and black leather. I'll show you it. But if anyone's interested in it, you can send me a message on Instagram or something. I'll pop it here on the screen. But yeah, or any of the parts you see on it currently, other than the wheels. So they're a bit dirty, but could probably do with a bit of a restore or something. There's a lot of cobwebs in here, but if there's anything anyone wants, just drop me a message, we can sort it out. Like I say, other than the wheels and the calipers, let me know, and we can sort it. So yeah, that's what that car's doing. That's what the Red Mini's doing. That's what the Touareg's doing. The BMW has gone through Copart. It's sold for 125 Great British pounds. So somebody's got that. Chelsea's TT is still going strong. Needs some new rear suspension, so we might do that this summer. Owen's Focus still going strong, bit of an oil leak at the minute, but we think the oil filter that we did on it the other week, the gasket, like the O-ring that came with it, was pretty bad quality because it was in like 2 pieces when we took it out the other day when I noticed a leak. So he's replaced that, and I think it's better. I'll ask him when he gets home from work today. And yeah, I think that's it. Tyler's Lexus still going strong, past its MOT, yay. And I think that's all the cars we've got. Yeah. But anyway, if you're looking forward to seeing some more videos on the Mini, let me know and I'll make sure to film them. We've been doing a lot of work, but I've just not been filming it because I've not really felt up to it, or I've just been doing like 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there. Let me know in the comments if you prefer shorter videos or longer videos. I don't know. I prefer personally watching a longer video, but I know not everyone does. So let me know what you prefer. If you just prefer to see snippets here and there fixing stuff, or whether you'd want to see a longer form thing, just getting a few bits cleared off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one, where we'll most likely be either fixing the Mini or installing some very basic mods on the Touareg. See ya!